Happy first 4th of July. Is it your first 4th of July? You're so cute. We're gonna do a little mini photo shoot. I got him some cool shades to wear. You are so cool, dude. A quick run to Walmart. So I want to show you guys everything I got real quick. I got some strawberries, 2 things of shredded lettuce. This is like a big bag of jalapenos. I'm gonna make some jalapeno poppers this week. 3 tomatoes, pepper and onion, 2 cans of green beans. This is a big bag of potatoes. I hate buying potatoes because I only use like 2 or 3 out of them and then we never finish them. A thing of Rotel, some red enchilada sauce. And onto my bread stuff, I got some 35-calorie bread. I always get this stuff. It's my favorite. These flat out wraps are really good. I've never had this one and I'm actually kind of disappointed because I didn't realize how small these ones were. Every other time I bought the wraps, they've been, you know, much bigger size. So anyways, I got these 2 kinds of wraps. I got this Joseph's Lavash bread, some Alfredo sauce. We love these air fried chickens by Tyson. We haven't had their chicken sandwiches in a while, but we love the strips and the nuggets. So I got some of those. Another bag of this frozen chicken breast. We use it a lot. Ground turkey, some turkey bacon, pork chop thins, some bacon bits for the jalapeno poppers this week. Encore chicken, some minute rice, waffle fries, cottage cheese. I got a ton of cheese this week, y'all. Cream cheese, mozzarella, pepper jack, some cheddar, and then I got some cornbread for one of my recipes this week, eggs, sour cream, 2 things of lunch meat, chicken breast and ham, some oatmeal for myself. I've never had this one, but I want to try it because it says sugar-free. Barbecue sauce. This is all stuff for Dylan's lunches. Nutty Buddies, Honey Buns, and Pringles. Are you a water baby? Are you a water baby?
Cover your ears.
Fourth of July special.
That's every nuthead's dream.
Woohoo! God, watch where you swing that thing, baby. Go like this. Woo! Oh!